In this video, we're going to use the Desmos graphing calculator to create a linear regression equation. So we're going to start by adding our data and creating a scatter plot. You're going to click the plus to add an item and select table. Now, using the data that's provided on your worksheet, we're going to enter X, the hours practicing, and Y, the points scored. So we're going to type those values into our table. Now you want to be careful because if you hit enter each time, you'll see that 4.1 was automatically generated, but that's not the value that's on my paper. So be careful. Desmos will try to guess what values you want to use. All right. And now you can see that scatter plot has been created. We're going to click this zoom fit. So I'm on step 2. Zoom fit is going to adjust the X and Y axis of the graph. Now, it only changed slightly here, but if you're using really large or small numbers, you might see a pretty drastic change. And Desmos is just trying to adjust the viewing window so you can see all of your data. Step 3 is to add a regression, and you're going to click this icon that's in the left corner. Notice that some information pops up and you can see it says linear regression in the drop down. You can click and kind of explore here, but we're going to stick with linear regression for this example because our data is following the pathway of a line, right? So it's following the form of y equals mx plus b. These points can best be described as linear. And in step 3, it also says to click the copy button next to equation. So this little copy button here says export a snapshot to the expression list. When we click that button, you're going to see that the equation below pops into line 2 for you, so you don't have to type it yourself. Now, typically, we round the regression equation to the nearest hundredth. So I'm going to do that in line 3. Y equals 2.957. So that 7 will round that 5 up to a 6. So 2.96. X plus 3.842. So we'll keep 84. All right, and here is the linear regression equation that best fits this data. And you can see that the points are pretty close to this line. Later, we're going to talk about how you can use this line of best fit for predictions.